Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. In this video, we are going to see statistics and its use. Statistics is all about making sense of data and figuring out how to put that information to use. Statistics can help you to make a guess whether or not you are going to accept any hypothesis or not. Marketers use them to sell us up products. Netflix uses statistics to predict what show you might want to watch next. We also use statistics to look at the weather forecast. Amazon and Flipkart uses statistics to identify the market segments, understand their customers' behavior, and forecast their demands. So there are numerous uses of statistics in data analysis. Now let's see what is statistics and how statistics helps in data analysis. Statistics is the study and a practice of collecting and analyzing the data. It provides tools and techniques to understand the data. It helps in summarizing and describing your data. In data analysis, statistics helps to identify the patterns and gaining the insight from it. Techniques such as hypothesis testing, regression analysis, cluster analysis, time series analysis are based on statistic principles. Statistics also helps in data cleaning. The techniques are used for identifying the missing values, outliers, and errors in the data. Statistics also helps in data visualization. Visualization tools like histogram, box plot, scatter plot, etc. are based on statistical principles. Statistics is also used for EDA, means exploratory data analysis, which is very important step in data analysis. Now we are going to see data and its types. Data are the actual piece of information that you collect for your study. Data types are very important concept because statistical method can only be used with certain data types. You have to analyze continuous data differently than categorical data. Otherwise, it would result in a wrong analysis. Most data fall into two main groups. First is numerical and second is categorical. First, we will see numerical data. These are quantitative data. These data have meaning as a measurement such as person's height, weight, IQ, blood pressure, or they can be counted such as how many friends do you have, like that. Numerical data can be further broken down into two types. First is discrete, second is continuous. Discrete data represent items that can be counted. The list of possible values may be fixed or finite. For example, number of students in a class or rating of a restaurant, number of visits to a doctor. So it represents a countable numbers only. Whereas continuous represent measurements for height, weight, temperature. It cannot be counted. It is further categorized into interval and ratio. Interval values represent ordered units that have a same difference. For example, 5, 10, 15. But it does not have true zero. For example, temperature is an interval type of data, but there is no thing like no temperature. We can add or subtract, but we cannot multiply or divide because there is no true zero. Ratio values are also order units that have a same difference. Ratio values are the same as interval values with the difference that they do have a absolute zero. Good examples are height, weight, length, etc. Second major type of data type is a categorical, which is a qualitative data. It represents characteristics such as person's gender, language, marital status, city, etc. There are two types of categorical data. First is nominal and second is ordinal. First we will see nominal. Nominal is a type of data used to name a variables without providing any numeric values. It is unordered. For example, male, female, smoker, non-smoker, otherwise name, color, blood group, zip code. These are all categorical data with no order. Second is ordinal. It is a data type with set of orders. Here order matters. For example, low income, middle income, high income, or very good, good, neutral, bad, very bad. So it is showing certain order. So this is all about the data and its types used in statistics. Hope you understood it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.